How you set up your Stream Deck is all up to you, because you can do so many things with it. I'm gonna show you my Stream Deck setup so you can see what you can improve in yours, or maybe what I can improve on mine. But first, let me thank our sponsor, Own.tv. On Own.tv, you can actually get an overlay pack for your Stream Deck, so you can make it look super good. You can make all the buttons match with each other and look super professional with it. Besides from Stream Deck overlay packs, they also have overlay packs for your stream itself. For example, this super awesome one. You know what the coolest thing about this is, guys? With code Trui, you will get 50% off. Link is down below in the description. Let's start out with saying that I have 3 Stream Decks, one normal one MK2, and one XL. So let's start off with the XL one. I've made some pages on here, so we've got 3 pages. One is just my light setup. Here I can turn on my Philips Hue lights and my Elgato lights. Page 1 might look like a mess, but you know, it kind of is. Yeah, I'm kind of messy, but also organized at the same time. I'm messily organized. So we got game here. This mutes the game audio. So if I'm talking in my talking screen, I can put on the game already, but mute the audio. Same goes with music. That's the opposite around. When I talk, I unmute it. When I do game, I mute this step. Same with system sounds. If I, I'm gonna unplug a USB or something like that, I can mute that. Yay, so you don't hear any USB sound. Then we have mute our headphones in Discord here as well. And these are just play and pause buttons for my music player. Then this section basically all is sound effects. So we got my sub sound, we got some dancing sound, we got a falling sound, like somebody breaking their leg. We've got this magic sound. Like, these are all sound effects. You can play an advertisement on Twitch here. I don't like playing advertisements, but it stops the pre-roll for a little bit, so that's a really big plus of it. This one will save a replay in OBS. I don't really use it yet because it's kind of new. These things are some things that I've just put in here for charity streams that were in May, so I should probably delete them. Yeah, I should delete them for sure. Same with this shooter. So these are the buttons that I usually just switch out when I have event streams. Then this one is an interesting one because it's a multi-action and it queues up pausing the music, hiding the stream avatars that are underneath my screen, and letting this audio play, which is the music for my community song, and having the subtitles from the community song be in the screen at the same time as well. So that's what this button does for me. So basically starts the community song. Here on Twitch.tv, Trui will bring great joy to me. If you haven't seen it yet, you have to join in on our Twitch. Alright, and then on Trui here, we do have, this is my point shop on Stream Elements. This is my stream avatars. It will launch a battle royale. It just makes a command to chat ! battle royale, and it starts a battle royale with my stream avatars. If you want to set that up, I have like an awesome video explaining how you can set it up with your stream avatars right here, so definitely check that out. Got a Humble Bundle affiliate link, a link to my merchandise store if you want to add me on Steam or Switch. I've made this multi-actions, so it actually makes the sound of the Switch as well while clicking on it. Okay, let's go to the next one. Oh, I forgot, I also have a pedal. I guess that counts as Stream Deck too, right? Let's go to the pedal. Here we have webcams. Basically, I switch cameras with it. So if I press this button, I go to a back view. This one, it has some like face follow camera, so it follows my face. And this one is just muting in Discord for when I'm doing something with the controller, but playing with another streamer. I can mute myself while talking to chat, basically. The normal Stream Deck, this is the first one I had. This one is super old already. So here, they made these icons a long time ago. So they're like kind of cohesive, but not anymore because I've made so many new buttons. This is just my starting soon screen. This is my screen where I'm talking to the camera. My gameplay screen, my pausing screen, BR back screen, my ending screen. There's a timer of 5 minutes here. If I click on this one, it will start this starting soon animation video where you see a lot of different clips from back in the days. That takes 5 minutes. And then I click on here to make sure that I get notified on my headphones that the video is almost over. This one just starts all the programs I need for streaming. This switches to my camera. I can record specific sources in OBS with a different filter, and those buttons are for that. This is NIM color. It literally just types in my Discord that I need NIM, and then NIM shows up, hopefully, if it sees the notification. This is just a love command, so there's a lot of like these emotes in my chat. If I do this one, you will see a lot of these emotes, but we also have this, it's Trui Dead! And then there is this graph coming into the screen saying like, it's Sita, and my dad is doing a dance and, you know, giving me tea. Basically, this is the rate message, so we have that here too. And obviously a link to the Discord server because that's really important. I don't have maps on this one because I like to have buttons for everything. I know not everybody can do that because you don't have like 3 stream decks lying around. If you need to, make maps, but if you don't need to and you have enough stream decks, why not just have a dedicated button for everything, right? And then we have the Mark II. As we see, we have a YouTube button which is just linking to my YouTube channel. This one is linking to my Hover account, my Instagram account, my Twitter account and TikTok account. Those are just social media links. Then here we have one that links to my YouTube about gameplay. If you haven't seen that yet, I do have a gameplay YouTube channel. Currently we're playing Overcooked with Tom. We're also going to be doing Detroit Become Human on it. So there's a lot of cool stuff on the gameplay YouTube channel. And we're trying to get monetized on that. So it would be awesome if you also subscribe on that channel. Here we have my shorts channel. I'm posting a lot of shorts in there too. Then we have a link to my Dutch channel. 2 times in a week I stream with Nim in Dutch, so that's a link to that. This is the CPU. So right now we're using 7% of it. This is an anti-troll button. If I click on that, the chat will go in follower only mode, slow mode, and it will clear the chat and stuff like that. So basically, if there's trolls, hate rates, stuff like that, I just have to press this and my chat will be safe or safer. Then here we have these standard buttons from Twitch. Follower only chat, slow mode, emote chat, creating a clip buddy button. So if you have a stream deck, definitely recommend this one. And this is a marker. So if you go through your vault later on in the highlighter, you can see where you marked things with this button. What is the button that you think I'm missing on my stream deck? Leave it down below in the comments because I really love to know what you guys would suggest. A button that a lot of people miss is the anti-troll button. I want you to set it up right now, so let's jump into this video and I'll see you there.